This is my CoSpaces Edu tutorial, and it is how to make an object fly. First, you go to the library. It's in the corner. Now tap the section that you want. Now hold and drag out that item to place it. Now double tap the object to get to its settings. Tap code and switch on to using code blocks. First, tap the X to get out of the code section, and second, you can tap anywhere to get out of settings. Now tap the code button. It will be at the top of your screen. Now tap transform. It will be the first one on the top, and drag out the first object. Now you select up and put in how many meters you want it to go and in how many seconds. Now tap play.